What are terms, factor and coefficient in an expression? So first of all, let's see what is an expression. Expression is made of constant and variable. X plus 2 is an example of one expression here. X square plus 2x plus 5 is another example of an expression. Also x y minus 3x plus 3 is also one example of expression. In first example, x plus 2, there are two entities which are added to form an expression. These entities are called as term. Here in second example, x square is one term which is added to 2x and then added to 5 to form an expression. Here x square, 2x and 5 are terms of this expression. In another example, xy minus 3x plus 5, it is also having some terms, but it is having one symbol which is saying it is minus, but by your definition all the terms should be added. So we can rewrite it as xy plus minus 3x plus 3. So here we can see xy is one term, minus 3x is another term, and 3 is another term of this expression. Next is factor. These terms can also be divided into lower form, or we can say terms may be seen as factor of different entities, multiplication of different entities. Here in this example, we can say it is x multiply y. Here it is minus 3 multiply x. So these parts which are multiplying to each other in one term are called as factor. Another entity is called as coefficient. We can say the numerical value of a term is coefficient. Here we can write it as 1. So its coefficient is 1, and here this term is having coefficient minus 3. So this is all about term, coefficient and factors. Let's take one more example. We can rewrite this expression in the form of addition. Xy plus minus 9y plus 5. So here these are different terms of this equation, and for getting factor, x multiply y. Here x and y are factor. Here minus 9 and y are factor, and plus 5 is another factor. And for coefficient, here we know its coefficient is 1, its coefficient is minus 9, and its coefficient is 5. So this is all about term, factor and coefficient.